Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamila. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the NEEWER 14-inch ring light that I bought off Amazon for under $50. So please stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll share some really important information with you. Okay y'all, this is the box that it comes in, and as I mentioned before, this is the 14-inch NEEWER ring light. So let's go ahead and try to set it up and I'll just give you guys a demo of that, okay? Let's get this thing out of the box. Oh, I hate opening these things. Okay. Alright, so we're getting it out of the box. Oh, it's in another box. This came in, oh, it's not another box. Sorry, so I'm just gonna put this down. But I was saying it came in this big box. Like, I can hold in this box. But that's just Amazon, to be honest. But yeah, it comes in this box. And guys, be careful. You see, I nearly threw this over there. But anyway, I guess this is the stand. This is the stand for the light. So we're gonna go ahead, unbox this. All right. Oh, okay. All right, so this is a stand, and there's something else in here. Oops. Alright, so we have some little things here. We'll figure it out as we go along. Alright, so this is the light stand. This unfolds like this. No. That's up? Yeah, it must be. I'll get into that. Now, the grand finale. Things are just tumbling over in this box. Alright, but what we are all here for. Okay, so this. Okay, so I found this cord. This is a power cord. I guess this is to plug the light in, right? But this is our ring light. that's for my thumbnail. Okay, so let's get into. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me carefully take it out, show you guys the reveal as well. Alright. Something's stuck on here. Oh, it's not stuck on there. Those are the diffusers. Okay, so this is our light. See what else comes in the bag. This is a carrying pouch, by the way. Alright, so here are our white diffusers and orange diffusers. So if you want a warmer light, I'll go ahead and give you guys a demo of that as well if you want a warmer light, but this is for the white light. I'll be using the white light mostly. Alright. I guess this is the instruction manual and maybe warranty. I don't give this video a like if you're like me. I don't really read manuals, so I just try to figure things out myself. Alright, something else is in the box. Okay. Guys, sorry for the noise. Okay, so we have this is for your iPhone. Alright. So this is a Bluetooth remote for your phone, and here you have a horseshoe. This is where you put your phone in. Let me put it. Alright, so your phone would hold in here. See, it's expandable, and I guess this is the remainder for the power cord. So let's get into the next clip and I'll show you guys how I'm fitting it up. Okay, I'm gonna follow these instructions. Okay, I'm trying to get this into it, but if you guys can see, there's a screw and this is supposed to unscrew, but it's not loosening. So give me a second, I'm gonna check the instruction manual again. Alright, so I finally unscrewed this screw because you have to loosen it. It finally decided to come out. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. Okay. Okay. This is not bad. Let's keep out the filters for now because I just want to show you the difference between the bare light and the different filters that are in place. You can take this piece that you have right here, and this is just to install your cell phone. So you just slide it. Oops. Okay. That doesn't seem... No. It's not working for me, but basically you use this, you screw it in here, then you attach this thing which your phone will hold into, and you just screw it, and that's supposed to be it, but it's not working out for me, so I ain't gonna even push it. So that's the back of it. That's how it looks, and yeah, it's just on its stand, and over there I have the pieces. Time for the big reveal. Okay, so I just spin this once, so that's the lowest setting. That's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh! Oh! I'm about to blind. I'm about to be blind. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the LED light by NEEWER. This is too bright. Let me put on the filter. That I bought this ring light, it was for $91 on Amazon, but I got it on a flash deal, so Guys, go on Amazon's homepage and go into the flash deals and cop you a cheap ring light, because this was under $50. I paid under $50 for this ring light. So I'll go ahead, leave it in the description bar. Please go ahead, check out my socials. They're in the description box as well. Don't forget to give this video a like. This ring light, it's great because it mimics daylight. Like, in some instances, imagine if I had two of them, one on this side and one on this side, you wouldn't be able to tell that I wasn't outside. One thing I know for sure with this ring light is you really don't have any excuse whether you want to film in the middle of the night or you want to film early in the morning. You know, if like me, depended on natural light, and we've been having a lot of rains and stuff. So yes, I really love this. I'm just looking at it right now. I'm so happy with this purchase. I really do recommend it. If there's anything that I don't like about it, I'll be sure to leave an update in the description box below. Oh, I just want to point out one thing. I didn't manage to get this on. It's not really necessary for me because I use my camera, and my camera already is on a tripod, and I don't mind having those two tripod stands either way. So honestly, I'm not even really sure how to get this on, but this is just for your phone. So you attach this right here, and oh my gosh, I don't know, but yeah, you just put your phone in there like that. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I have more content coming for you. See you guys until next time. Bye.